Have you ever bitten into a fresh, juicy slice of pineapple and noticed your tongue starting to burn afterward? Not just a little tingling, a rough sensation, almost like the inside of your mouth has been scraped with sandpaper. Most people assume it's because pineapple is acidic, but that explanation misses something far more disturbing. Because the burning sensation isn't just irritation. For a few brief moments, the pineapple is actually digesting you while you eat it. Let's solve this mystery right here on Unlogic. Deep inside, every pineapple is a powerful enzyme called bromelain. Unlike acids, which simply irritate tissue, bromelain actively breaks down proteins. It's what scientists call a proteolytic enzyme, a biological compound designed to dismantle flesh at the microscopic level. And that becomes a problem very quickly, because your tongue, cheeks, gums, and lips are all built from proteins. The moment you bite into a fresh pineapple, tiny cells inside the fruit rupture open, flooding your mouth with bromelain. Almost immediately, the enzyme begins attacking the protective protein layer covering your tongue. That rough sensation you feel afterward is actual microscopic damage happening in real time. In other words, the pineapple begins digesting you before you digest it. And strangely enough, this wasn't an accident of nature. Scientists believe bromelain evolved as a defense mechanism. Pineapple plants developed these enzymes to protect themselves against insects, fungi, bacteria, and animals trying to feed on them. Bromelain acts like a biochemical weapon, capable of breaking down organic tissue before invading organisms can fully damage the plant. The problem is that bromelain doesn't know the difference between insect tissue and human tissue. Protein is protein. Long before modern science understood any of this, indigenous peoples in Central and South America had already discovered pineapple's strange effects. They noticed that soaking meat in pineapple juice caused even the toughest cuts to become dramatically softer. The fruit was partially digesting the meat before it was even cooked. But perhaps the most unsettling examples came from pineapple factories during the 20th century. Workers who spent entire days cutting pineapples by hand began developing an unusual condition. Constant exposure to concentrated bromelain slowly wore down the outer layers of skin on their fingertips. Some workers temporarily lost parts of their fingerprints entirely. The damage wasn't permanent. Once exposure stopped, the skin regenerated normally, but it revealed just how powerful bromelain truly is. This is not a mild chemical irritation. It is a naturally evolved biological compound capable of digesting human tissue, just very slowly. Fortunately, the human body is remarkably good at defending itself. The cells inside your mouth regenerate incredibly fast, replacing damaged surface layers within hours. And once the pineapple is swallowed, powerful stomach acids quickly begin breaking down the bromelain itself before it can continue deeper into the body. But not all pineapples are equally aggressive. Unripe pineapples often contain higher concentrations of bromelain, which is why they create a much stronger burning sensation. The longer pineapple remains in contact with your mouth, the more surface tissue the enzyme has time to break down. Thankfully, humans eventually discovered ways to neutralize it. Heat completely destroys bromelain by altering its molecular structure. That's why cooked or canned pineapple rarely causes the same burning sensation. Some cultures in Southeast Asia also soak pineapple in salt water before eating it, reducing the enzyme's ability to attack proteins. So the next time pineapple makes your tongue burn, just remember, for a few brief moments, the fruit fought back. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Unlogic for more strange, hidden science, engineering mysteries, and the bizarre truths hiding inside everyday things.